Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Manogar here, and in this part 3 of this how to succeed with solo ads, we are going to see one of the most important components of the online marketing business. And in the previous parts, in the part 1 of this training series, we saw what are solo ads and what are the advantages and disadvantages of solo ads. And in the part 2 of this training series, we saw the entire email marketing setup in a holistic manner, where we came to know how to build a buyers list and from there how to make your money online with this. Now in this part 3 of this training series, we are going to discuss one of the most important components, if not the most important component of the entire online marketing business, which is none other than traffic. So traffic is going to be the most important component in our online marketing business. So this is the single most important thing that is going to define if you're going to succeed or not in this online marketing business. So stay tuned till the end. So I'm going to explain what makes a real good traffic. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notification in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. So let's get straight into our today's topic of traffic. So what do you mean by traffic? Now in the internet space, traffic is the amount of internet users that are entering your website or your landing page. So if the number is greater, then you're receiving huge amount of traffic. So if you're someone who's starting out in the internet space trying to make money online, then you need to appreciate the difficulty in getting the traction and traffic to your website. Now let's see what are the 4 important components of traffic. So the first one is going to be laser targeted. Now, what do you mean by laser targeted? So if you're in a particular niche called dog training, then if an internet user or a person wants to learn about dog training, then it is called as a laser targeted traffic. Now, if you go even deeper, if a person who is having a pet or a dog at his home and who is interested in the dog training program, then it is called a very high laser targeted traffic. The second component that we are going to discuss about traffic is of high quality. Now, what do you mean by high quality? The term high quality means if the user or the person has financial buying power to buy your product. So that is what is called as high quality. So when it comes to solo ads traffic, it can be very niche specific. The solo ads click is available in make money online niche or health niche or crypto niche or even personal development niche. So that's how laser targeted solo ads click can be. For example, if a person is interested in your dog training program and at the same time owns a dog, then it is called a highly laser targeted traffic. And if that person has financial buying power, then it is called high quality traffic. Now, the third component that we are going to discuss about is conversion rate. Now, what do you mean by conversion rate? When it comes to make money online, a lot of people make a common mistake that when they have a large high laser targeted traffic and at the same time a high quality traffic and they drive traffic to the sales offer page, they're going to get sales. Now, this used to work 10 to 15 years back, but now it doesn't work like that because there is a very minimal chance that people will buy the very first time they see an offer or a product. Now, this is where the fourth component of this traffic comes into play, the follow-up system. Now, when it comes to solo ads traffic, most of the people will think that they will get the sales out of the front end of the traffic whenever the clicks land onto the opt-in page. When it comes to solo ads, many people are focused at the front end sales. Now, what do you mean by front end sales? Whenever you purchase clicks from a solo ad vendor, the moment you get sales when the clicks land on your opt-in page is called front-end sales. Now, this is totally wrong. And that's why 99% of the email marketers who are trying to build their email list using solo ads fail always because they don't understand nor internalize the concept of or the importance of building the email list. I say again and again in my various YouTube training tutorial videos where the email marketing is not all about just collecting the email leads and sending the emails after emails. It doesn't work that way. It's all about what is happening at the back end, what kind of segments like openers, clickers and buyers, and how do you send emails to these different segments. And even if you go into buyers, you're going to further segment into buyers C, buyers B and buyers A. So there are a lot of intricacies involved in segmenting the email list. Now, why do we need to do so many segmentation of this email list? Because understand, guys, take this into your head. Most of your email revenue will come from the buyer's email list. Now, most of it means like almost 80 to 90% of your email revenue, email marketing business revenue is going to come from your buyer's email list. Now, for those guys who are really interested in building an online business, then and who want to really quit their 9 to 5 job and really live the life of their dreams, then I would seriously suggest you to look into this program called Passive Income Profits by my mentor Ben from Singapore. Now you can click on the link in the description box below, my top recommended mentorship program. With that being said, let's meet in the next part of this training series. Until then, bye.